Hey there, English 1. Sorry I am not in today. I have the flu. So I'm here at home at least for today, and I'm going to try to get in to be back with you on Friday. But I didn't want you to miss anything, so I made this little video to let you know about what you're doing now. So now that we're done reading the Odyssey, we're going to focus a little bit more on theme now that you've taken a look at everything and all the different stories. So first, we're going to do a little activity. We've discussed these different theme concepts: fate versus free will, the importance of life's journey, the power of the gods, the importance of home and family, and moral choices and sacrifice, all that have something to do with the Odyssey. What you're going to do right now is I want you to find a partner, and for each of you, I'd like you'll be assigned one story from the Odyssey from your substitute or from Miss Cassidy, our student teacher. Determine what the theme concept is. So it's one of these. Overall, what do you think the theme concept of that story is? Determine a clear theme statement. What is it that the work is saying about the theme concept? Remember, that's the question we ask ourselves for the theme statement. And then determine what actions of the main characters in the story develop that theme that you've chosen. So once again, choose one of these themes, determine what a statement is from each of those stories, and then determine the actions of the main characters. So part 1 stories, these are the part 1 stories. And then these are the part 2 stories. So pause the tape, please, or the recording right now, substitute or Miss Cassidy, and let the kids get into groups. Then have them choose, or you choose for them, one of the stories from part 1 or one of the stories from part 2, and let them know which story they should have. When you're done pausing the tape, I'll be back to talk a little bit more. Okay. I will talk to the students a little bit more about their writing project tomorrow that they're going to have to do for the Odyssey. But I'm going to start right now with this slide so that they can start thinking about what they want. So they're going to be doing an analysis writing project with the Odyssey. And they have 3 different options. I will remind them about Greek character traits, Greek hero character traits. I'll also remind them about theme analysis, and we'll talk about that a little bit more. But we will talk a little bit more about literary analysis on Friday, so they know a little bit more about this. But I want them to start thinking about what they could possibly write. So they can choose to do a character analysis, choosing a character trait from Greek heroes, and then have 3 evidence to support how Odysseus fulfills that characteristic of being a Greek hero. This is where those hero logs are going to come in really handy. They can choose the literary analysis, which we'll talk a little bit about the Homeric language tomorrow, and then they have to provide 3 paragraphs to support the use of the language in the Odyssey. Or they can choose the theme analysis, choosing one of the theme concepts, making a theme statement, and provide 3 paragraphs of evidence to show how the theme is built through the characters' actions. So I want them to come tomorrow thinking about what they might do, so that when I talk to them about the different literary techniques and things like that, they might be able to choose. Hopefully I'll be back in school tomorrow. If not, it's okay. We'll work with the schedule. All right. Have a good day, guys.